Hey there! In this tutorial we'll show you how to turn a clay pot into a pendant light fixture using our hardware kit and a ready-to-wire plug-in pendant whip. Looking over the hardware kit, it includes a metal female barrel cord grip, 1-inch all-thread, a metal washer, 2 silicone washers, and a knurled nut. You'll also need a basic Ivory socket and of course the power cord whip, which can be purchased in lengths from 4 to 30 feet with prepared ends, so you don't have to cut and strip any wire. Tools you need are just a small Phillips and Flathead screwdrivers and Needlenose Pliers. Alright, let's get started. Grab the female barrel cord grip, loosen the set screw, and feed it over the exposed ends of your power whip. Then, in this order, do the same with the knurled nut, metal washer, and 1 silicone washer. These pieces of the hardware kit will sit on the outside top of the pot, giving your pendant a finished look. Now feed the exposed ends of the power cord through the hole from the outside top. Then grab the other silicone washer and apply it to the cord. The hardware kit pieces will essentially sandwich together and secure the pot with the socket, which we're going to wire next. Grab the socket cap and locate the smaller set screw on the inside of the socket cap. Loosen it so you can thread in the 1-inch all thread to the top of the socket cap. Tighten that smaller set screw back down so the all thread is secure in the socket cap. Then loosen the large ground set screw and feed the cap with the all thread onto the power whip. Now looking at the exposed conductor wires, you have a black positive, white negative, and green ground wire. Grab your Needlenose Pliers and slip the green ground wire into the hole where you've loosened the screw. Tighten back down the set screw to secure the wire and ground your fixture. Now to wire the rest of the socket. Grab the socket body and locate the prongs on the inside of the socket where the bulb would screw in. You'll see a long metal prong and a shorter one. The black positive correlates with the long prong and the white negative with the short. Flip the body over and insert the wires into the corresponding holes and tug on the conductor wires to make sure they're secure. Snap the body onto the cap and your socket is fully wired. Nice work! Now let's take the last steps by fixing the socket to the pot. Feed the cord and the socket with all thread up into the inside of the pot, where the socket will sit flush with the silicone ring on the inside. Then on the outside of the pot, slide back down the silicone and metal washer. Thread the knurled nut and female barrel cord grip onto the all thread. Once you feel the hardware kit is secure and is flush against both the inside and outside of the pot, you can tighten back down the set screw on the cord grip. Looks like we nailed it, people. Just a little note here, to hang properly, make sure you have a swag hook installed in your ceiling. All that's left to do is screw in your light bulb, plug it in, swag it, and flip on your light switch. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.